How to get sex in the next 10 days. The sex blueprint. If you want to get sex in the next 10 days, stop relying on luck. It's all about knowing the game and playing it right. Most guys blow their chances by coming across as desperate, hesitant, or too available, but not you. In this video, I'm breaking down the sex blueprint, a proven, no BS guide to flipping the script and making women want you. From mastering presence to building irresistible sexual tension, you're about to learn the exact steps to create attraction, escalate smoothly, and close the deal, without begging or playing childish games. So, if you're ready to stop hoping and start getting results, stay tuned, because this is how you make things happen. 1. Stop being desperate. Desperation is a massive turnoff. Women can sense it from a mile away. If you're coming across as too eager, constantly texting, or bending over backward to please her, you're killing the attraction before it even starts. No woman wants a man who seems like he's starving for attention or sex. Instead, flip the dynamic. Be the man who's calm, confident, and comfortable in his own skin. Focus on living your life. Hit the gym, dive into your passions, and let her feel like she's stepping into your world. When you show that you're not pressed or desperate for her validation, she'll become more curious and drawn to you. Women want a man who could have them, but isn't chasing them like a lost puppy. So relax, don't blow up her phone, don't always be available, and watch how quickly the energy shifts in your favor. When you stop making her the center of your world, she'll start wondering what it's like to be part of yours. 2. Build undeniable presence. When you walk into a room, own it, like you belong there and have nothing to prove. Confidence isn't about being the loudest guy in the room. It's about commanding attention without begging for it. Slow down your movements. Nothing screams insecurity like fidgeting or rushing. Hold eye contact just a little longer than usual. It's bold, intimate, and lets her know you're not afraid of connection. And when you speak, do it with certainty. No fumbling over your words or seeking approval. Women are drawn to a man who radiates authority and ease, someone who moves like he knows exactly who he is and what he brings to the table, both in and out of the bedroom. This isn't about arrogance, it's about being so grounded and comfortable in your skin that she can't help but feel the magnetic pull. When you exude this kind of presence, you're not just another guy trying to get her attention. You become the man she imagines undressing her with his eyes and knowing exactly how to take control when the moment heats up. 3. Make her laugh. If you can make her laugh, you're halfway to making her want you. Attraction starts in the mind, and humor is a powerful way to break down her defenses and spark a connection. A man who can tease playfully, tell a witty joke, or roll with the conversation effortlessly stands out from the average guy who relies solely on looks or flashy gestures. Laughter creates comfort, it eases tension, and makes her feel good around you. And when a woman associates you with feeling good, she naturally wants more of that energy. Don't overdo it by trying to be a stand-up comedian, though. Be playful, keep it light, and throw in a little flirtatious edge. A well-timed, suggestive joke can shift the mood from friendly to seductive in seconds. When she's laughing and relaxed, she's more open to following your lead, whether that's a late-night drink at your place or something far more intimate. Remember, if you can make her laugh, you're not just entertaining her, you're creating a mental and emotional opening for deeper, more physical desires to follow. 4. Text her like a man with options. When you text her, do it like a man who has a life and other women interested. Keep your messages short, direct, and confident, not essays explaining yourself or chasing her validation. If she takes hours to reply, don't jump to respond the second your phone buzzes. Double her wait time and let her feel that your attention is a privilege, not a guarantee. Women are drawn to men who have options because it signals that you're desirable and not desperate. Don't flood her inbox with good morning texts or endless check-ins. Save that for guys who get left on read. Instead, tease her, be playful, and drop a little spice to keep her intrigued. Something as simple as, "I thought of something I shouldn't say here," leaves her curious and eager to engage. Your time is valuable. Show her that by not being overly available, and she'll start craving more of your attention. When you present yourself as a man who isn't waiting by the phone, you become the man she wants to chase, and eventually, the one she's imagining in bed. 5. Be bolder than every other guy. If you want to get laid, you can't be just another timid guy waiting for a sign while the moment slips away. Women don't fantasize about the guy who hesitates. They crave the one who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go for it. Confidence is sexy, hesitation kills attraction. Flirt boldly, touch with intention, and escalate when the moment is right. This doesn't mean being aggressive or reckless. It means reading her energy, recognizing when she's into you, and leading with masculine certainty. A man who knows how to guide the interaction, without second-guessing himself, keeps a woman excited and engaged. If she's vibing with you, don't waste time, make a move, own the moment, and let the chemistry take over. 6. Get her alone in the right environment. If you want things to heat up, you need to move beyond public spaces and group settings, because real seduction happens in private. When she's surrounded by other people, she's distracted, guarded, and less likely to let her desires surface. Your goal: create an environment where she feels safe, comfortable, and subtly turned on. Invite her to a place that sets the mood. Your place after a casual dinner, a rooftop with a view, or even a cozy, dimly lit lounge where conversation can drift into more intimate territory. Pay attention to the details: soft lighting, sensual music, and a relaxed vibe that makes it easy for her to let her guard down. Don't rush. Let the chemistry build naturally. When a woman feels comfortable and the atmosphere is right, her imagination starts to wander. And when that happens, she's far more likely to follow your lead. The key is to make her feel that being alone with you isn't just safe. It's an experience she doesn't want to end. Isolation isn't just about being alone. It's about creating a private world where the next move feels inevitable. And when the tension finally breaks, it's electric. 7. Read her body language. A woman's body speaks louder than her words. If you pay attention, you'll know exactly where you stand. When she leans in closer during conversation, lightly touches your arm, plays with her hair, or locks eyes with you a little too long, those aren't random actions. They're signals that she's into you. But here's the catch. If you wait around for flashing neon signs, you'll miss your window. Most women won't spell out their desire. You have to trust your instincts and move with confidence. If she's matching your energy, laughing at your jokes, or finding excuses to touch you, she's inviting you to take things further. But real confidence means you don't need permission to lead. Assume attraction until she gives you a clear reason not to. When you operate from that mindset, you naturally become bolder. Your touch lingers longer, and you close the distance without hesitation. Women respond to a man who isn't second-guessing himself. So stop analyzing every move. If the vibe is right, trust it, act on it, and watch how quickly things escalate. 8. Escalate with tension, not force. The sexiest moments don't come from rushing. They come from building a slow, irresistible tension that makes her crave what's next. It's not about forcing the moment. It's about creating a spark and letting it simmer. When you're close to her, don't fill every silence with words. Let the quiet hang heavy with possibility. Hold her gaze a little longer than necessary. Let your touch linger just enough to make her wonder what's coming next, and pull back slightly when she starts leaning in. This push-pull dynamic teases her senses and makes the anticipation impossible to ignore. Whisper something bold in her ear, but don't follow through right away. Let her imagination run wild while you stay calm and in control. When you give her a taste but hold back the full experience, it heightens her desire. She doesn't want a man who rushes to the finish line. She wants a man who knows how to savor every step of the journey. Mastering this art of slow, deliberate escalation turns every moment with you into something unforgettable. Because when she finally gets you, it feels like something she's earned, not something you gave away too easily. If you're ready to dive even deeper into unlocking your most seductive self, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because this is just the beginning.